All right, hi everyone. This is Kushash Ravi Sharmali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been quite some time since I've not recorded this video, so I think it was worth it for me to record it now. We have made a lot of enhancements. Let me quickly show you what we have done. And these are mostly visible in the VS Code extension right now. The NeoVim extension is on hold unless and until like I really am able to test it out on VS Code, and then we'll probably port the changes there. A major problem was like, how do I onboard people to Context Pilot? And by the way, this can be renamed to something else in the future, so please keep an eye. But what we are doing right now is when I do any selection, right? What I want to do is I want to do right click, and Context Pilot will be immediately visible for you here. Earlier to this, what users had to do was they had to search this in the command panel, and then they have to type context pilot and then search for all the commands and all, right? What they can do right now is they can right click and they can directly see context pilot here, and they can do generate this for cursor chat, and there you go. Now, how do you use this is a very good question. So I would always appreciate people to the reason I did not over optimize is this that they can use it however they want. So they can see all the commits and their diffs over here. What they can do is they can do select all, and then they can do copilot add selection to chat or something, or they can also do explain, and there you go, it will explain it to you. Right, so I think this is a really good point. As you can see, it's going to tell you what has changed from February 2024 to June 2025. Right, so I think this would help you all understanding, what we have done, what we have, like how we have evolved the code base as well. So I think this does give them a lot of control as well, right? So I don't want to decide how they want it to be designed, and plus, showing this as a buffer allows me to keep it simple as well. Now, again, you can do other things as well. You can do context pilot, you can look at context files and select a range as well. There you go. It's this I need to fix. I'm really sorry about this, but you can see the occurrences are over here. These are the most contextual files, the relevant files to it. You can click on it and you can open the files as well. The good thing is it works on Windows. I'm on Windows right now, and we can also try it out on Windows. For now, I'm on WSL, but yeah, it does work on Windows, so that's a good point. Very exciting feature is when you do reload window, right? I've just reloaded window, and you will see that over here it will start appearing in a bit. I think yeah, there you go, right? So yeah, indexing done. Indexing completed successfully, right? This was very quick compared to when you start indexing, like, let's say by default, right? So what this does is if you go to output and if you search for context pilot, I'm just going to show you some implementation details, but what it's checking is that does it really need to reindex a file, right? So it calculates that automatically whenever you reopen the IDE or window as well. So in that case, it will check, hey, do I need to reindex it? No, right? So then it will just not reindex it all, right? And this is really good. So you don't have to reindex again and again. You don't have to run any command. But in case you feel like there's any error, there's anything, I would always suggest that please do like maybe start, I don't know, where is it? Yeah, there you go, right? So just go on index workspace and it will do it for you, right? So over here, it will run this manually. It will try to re-index for you. So I mean, these are the small enhancements I've made. If you go and look at the PRs that we have done so far, maybe I can go for all open instead of that. How do I check for any close PRs? Okay, that's very interesting. Created by me. Yeah, there you go. Okay, I don't want to. Okay, local pull request branches. I have no idea how to do this, guys. I'm really sorry, but okay. I think you guys will be able to find PRs on my. I'm too lazy to open GitHub right now, but I think it overall makes sense. So we have enabled smart indexing is what the commit that went in. Lot of logic was written for this. So I'm also checking and making sure that we don't give up on accuracy at any point of time. So there are few more commits that are about to happen. So please, keep an eye on that as well. For anyone who is checking this out, if you're using JetBrains, we do have an ongoing context pilot hyphen JetBrains repository there, but it's currently under progress and I'm still working on it. So it will take some time. But thank you so much. This was a minor update on context pilot. I think I'll record one more video about the implementation details in the future. But for now, this is it. You can enjoy doing this, guys, and ask explain this in tabular form, what has changed, and there you go. So it's gonna do it for you, right? Um, I think it deserves a really good round of applause for LLMs. Of course, my code does not use LLM, so you can also do that for me. But yeah, there you go. See, this is really good. I mean, I think everyone should understand the value of it. If they don't, I think I'm at fault here of not communicating it well. But let me zoom in for you guys. You can see that how this has evolved, and this is always what I wanted to do. Wanted to do. Okay, sorry about this. I'm way too excited. Thank you so much. You were watching this on my YouTube channel. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.